Nicolas, can you tell me a little bit about the acquisition strategy that you're pursuing at the moment?
Well, we have quite well-defined targets when it comes to country and geographical areas, what we want to focus on, and then we have also very targeted and focused type of assets, which is basically renewable assets of a specific size.
Okay. In the panel, we also spoke a little bit about auctions, and we heard from one of the participants in the panel that his company prefers to stay out of auction processes. We heard about the need for much more tailored auction processes, processes that are very specific, almost already having a buyer in mind. What's your sentiment when it comes to auction processes? How enthusiastic are you about getting involved in one?
Well, if you can actually negotiate a bilateral deal, it's of course a lot more comfortable. I mean, you don't have the competition, you don't have the pressure, you don't need to bound, towards a specific type of SPAs. I mean, it's a lot more comfortable for our company to do this. But unfortunately, this is a seller's market, so we do have to take into considerations that the sellers wants to maximize the sales, and therefore we have to participate in those auctions.
Okay, let's round off with a really quick conversation about the valuation gap, something that we spent a fair bit of time talking about. How much do you see there being a real valuation gap, and how much is it a valuation gap that is always going to be inherent to an M&A process?
Well, I mean, valuation gap is always there. For the time being, I think it's a bit more than usual. You see type of newcomers, new entrants in the markets, and they are willing to bid a bit higher than you would expect. So even if you have a target group which is represented about 80% of the targeted price, you do see some, I call them sometimes fools. I mean, they really price themselves out of the market by 20-25%, which is a lot.